This will be the first video in a series of helping you set up your initial crypto account to purchase your first crypto assets. We're going to use Binance in this video. So go to your app store, search for Binance and find the Binance.com app. And depending on your operating system, be it Apple or Android, click install or download or get, whatever that happens to be. And then once you have that installed, find it on your device and open it up. And then you are going to select the sign up or login option. And here you can use Apple or Google, or even start with just a brand new email account. I prefer Google. Then you'll hit continue when you accept the terms basically, and then find your associated Google account you want to use. And then hit continue, sign in with that Google account. And then you're going to create a new Binance account. Agree to the terms, and then welcome aboard. Hit next. And after that, you have to go through the know your customer or identity verification procedures. Select your country of residence, put in your name. Your name must match whatever it's going to be on the account you're associating it with. And then your nationality, the country that you live in. Select that from the drop-down menu, put in your birth date as well, and your address. All this has to match because on the next screen, they will verify your documents, ID card, driver's license, or passport. So you must submit that and go through that process. I won't be doing that in this video, but it's a real simple, painless process. Go through that. You can either take a picture with your phone or upload the documents if you have them saved already. And once you do all that, your verification will be complete and you will actually be able to use the app and purchase your crypto assets. So we'll do that in the next video.